Hello student, we are going to solve a question. A truck starts from rest. एक ट्रक है जो रेस्ट से स्टार्ट होता है. मीन्स व्हाट इज गिवन? u इक्वल टू 0. गिवन u इक्वल टू 0 and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. We don't know what is acceleration, so we have to find. It travels a distance of 400 meter. Distance traveled by truck is 400 meter in 20 seconds, means time is given 20 seconds. Find its acceleration, find the force if mass is 7 ton and 1 ton equal to 1000 kg, then what will be 7 ton? 7 multiply 1000 kg, so mass is equal to 7000 kg. Now what is given? U s t, and we know the formula. Distance traveled by truck, s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. S is equal to 400, u equal to 0, 1 upon 2, a is we have to find, t is what? 20 square. So 400 is equal to 1 upon 2 a into 400. 400 cancel, a equal to 2 meter per second square. This is value of a, means acceleration. Now we have to find force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is given 7 ton, means 7000 multiply a 2, so this gives 14,000 Newton. 14,000 Newton. Look again. A truck starts from rest, means u equal to 0, and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. We don't know what is acceleration. It travels a distance of 400 meter. S is given 400 meter. In 20 second, time is given 20 second. Find its acceleration. Find its acceleration. A. Find force. Force. Mass is given 7 ton. 7 tons. And 1 ton is equal to 1000 kg. Then 7 ton will be 7000 kg. S is given, so we can apply second equation. S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. U is 0, so this gives 0. 1 upon 2 a t square. 400 cancel each other. A, this is in division, becomes multiply. A equal to 2 meter per second square. Now we have to find force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is given 7000 and acceleration is 2, so 7 2 is 14,000 Newton. Force is given 14,000 Newton. Force is what? What is force? 14,000. And what is acceleration? 2 meter per second. Okay. Now the next question is, from a rifle of mass 4 kg, the mass of rifle is 4 kg. A bullet of mass 50 kg, 50 gram. 50 gram, we have to change this gram into kilogram by multiplying 10 power minus 3, or this become 5 into 10 power minus 2 kilogram. Fired with an initial velocity 35 meter per second. The velocity of bullet is given 35 meter per second. Calculate the initial recoil velocity of the rifle, means we have to find u1 and this is u2, because it is given fired with an initial velocity. Initial velocity is represented as u. So u1 is for rifle and u2 is for bullet. M1 is for rifle, M2 is for bullet. So here the law of conservation of momentum, according to which initial momentum is equal to final momentum. Initial momentum before firing means momentum before firing is equal to momentum after firing. Momentum after fire. Before firing, the rifle was in rest. Before firing, the rifle was in rest. The rifle becomes in motion when the rifle is fired. जब तक राइफल को फायर नहीं किया गया था वो रेस्ट में था, मतलब अगर रेस्ट में था तो उसका मास था 0, उसका मास तो 4 kg था लेकिन उसकी वेलोसिटी थी 0. अगर वेलोसिटी 0 है तो उसका मोमेंटम 0 होगा, मतलब मास चाहे जो रहा हो लेकिन उसकी वेलोसिटी 0 थी. और बुलेट का भी मास चाहे जो रहा हो उसकी भी वेलोसिटी 0 थी क्योंकि दोनों रेस्ट में थे. इक्वल टू मोमेंटम आफ्टर फायरिंग मास इज m1 and after firing the velocity is u1 plus mass is m2 and after firing the velocity of bullet is u2. So the left hand side is 0 and m1 is given 4, u1 is we have to find, m2 is given 5 into 10 power minus 2, u2 given 35. So 4u1 35 5 5 is 25, 5 5 is 25, carry 2, 5 3 is 15 to 17 into 10 power minus 2 equal to 0. 4u1 plus 1.75 equal to 0. So 4u1 is equal to minus 1.75 and u1 is equal to minus 1.75 upon 4. Minus 0.437 or u1 equal to minus 0.44 meter per second. What is the meaning of negative sign? Means this is speed of or velocity of rifle, recoiling rifle, and negative sign shows the direction of motion of rifle is opposite to direction of motion of bullet. जिस डायरेक्शन में बुलेट फायर किया गया है राइफल की डायरेक्शन उसके अपोजिट होगी और माइनस 0.44 मीटर पर सेकेंड मीन्स कि बुलेट के अपोजिट होगी और 0.44 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से वो पीछे की तरफ आएगी. मतलब देखिए समझिए फिर से, बुलेट 35 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से आगे की तरफ गया बुलेट 35 मीटर पर सेकेंड से, और जो राइफल है वो 0.44 मीटर पर सेकेंड की स्पीड से पीछे आया. ठीक है.